Everybody, we're back with another video, and
today's video, it's 4th of July, and today we're going to be spending our time together. It's our second
time, and we're not going to be doing it like we did last year. We're actually doing somewhere at the Polo Grounds in Coachella.
Something new. I think this is new. I actually don't know.
Yeah, I've never been inside Coachella, so it's going to be pretty exciting. I guess they're going to have a drone show here or something.
As a matter of fact, we're already here.
And yes, we actually are here. So,
yes. But I know we haven't recorded in a very long time because we've been really busy. We've been really busy.
It's low-key been me. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I've been really busy a lot. So,
yes.
But we're not gonna let that take over.
But with all that, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy our day today. And you guys are gonna come with us. So yeah.
So we're gonna get inside right now. So we'll.
It's a really long line.
It's gonna probably be like an hour wait, so we'll see y'all once we're inside.
Okay guys, so we made it in.
Hold up guys.
It looks
pretty light.
Yeah. Maybe there's more over there.
There probably is. There's the lights there. And then all the games they have a few bouncy houses.
Indio, how we doing out there?
But it looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
So.
I guess we'll just
probably give food review or something.
Yeah.
And then they have a drone.
They have a drone show a little later.
4th of July. Oh, it's
looks like
merch.
Yeah. Anyways, we found a little area. And I think they have this is where the food trucks are.
They have a few food trucks right here. Cornerstone barbecue. Cornerstone barbecue.
Hot chicken?
Look at this guys. They got tables and shit.
Okay. So far it looks okay.
What is this? Nova 3D? Yo, they have World Cup.
3D printing?
Oh nah, we gotta check that. How much do you think for everything? Look guys. Oh, yo, it looks pretty cool. What is this?
Dragon.
Hey guys, how are ya?
Good.
Give us a shout out.
So guys, tap in with Nova 3D Design Studio here in the Coachella Valley. They have pretty cool stuff right here.
Look at this one.
Oh yeah, I've had a homie who had those. Oh look, they got sharks.
Life gets a little anxious, which
They got eggs, dinosaurs, octopus, whatever this is. I don't know what that is. Oh shit, look, they got World Cup. Yo, this is bad right here. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. They got drinks. Oh nah.
Okay guys.
Next. Bro, I suck at recording, I'm not gonna lie.
No, you low-key do though.
Looks pretty cool, guys. Huh?
Face painting?
That's pretty.
Guys, should we get face painting? Should we get face painting?
Nope.
Do you think we should get?
Nope.
We can get painted as.
I don't know what to say.
I don't know.
I got merch
I
right
just
here.
realized we didn't do our little fit checks. Our
It's
OOTD.
okay. Alright, let's do one.
My outfit of the day. I have this from PacSun. This from Windsor. PacSun. Tories. Jewelry.
No rings on.
No
rings on.
low-key don't know where my rings are at.
Look at her earrings,
Oh,
guys.
my earring stack and my hair.
And her headband. You look like an American. Hey guys, I got my LA hat right here. I got my Solly jeans that I bought. And then I got a coat hat. Dior shoes my girl got me. You already know.
Okay.
You already know we got the ring right here and the
Oh guys,
chain.
look at his ring.
Brand new. I done bought that shit, bro. You already know. But, oh, I forgot. I got my Coach bag.
Oh yes, nice
I
Coach
got that
bag.
shop on me. Someone trying to.
Alright, too much.
Nah, it's fine. But yeah, so that's it for my fit check. Oh guys, this place, Good Girl, whatever the hell this is called. Looks pretty cool. Look at this room that she. Yo, it looks like so like classic. I'm not gonna lie.
They have a bunch of books.
Look at these books, guys.
So this is, you should get a book for me.
What is that? Already?
And notepad.
It's so little. I have to like crouch my
I feel like
head.
Anna would love this.
Bro, this is like.
And do I look smart? Wait.
Oh shit! What am I doing?
Do I look smart?
Yeah. You look beautiful.
They have like bookmarks. It's like very like a book. Little thing.
Pretty cool. This fan is helping me so much right here. What
Maybe
is
would
it?
this look more aesthetic? I look at the cherries.
There's a little door right here where it can get out.
Cherry baby. This is super cute.
Yeah, see, I don't like books, but
I
yeah,
like this.
pretty nice. What is it?
I think it's like a book club.
Yeah, and it's usually a lot bigger. But I brought this one for
Good Girl,
Easy.
Margin, we have your next read. I look you cannot repress it. Guys, it's low-key hot, I'm not
It's
gonna
pretty
lie.
hot. There's like a breeze, but it's like hot air. And it's like, I'm starving. We're both starving.
I wonder if the audio's bad because of the music.
We just have to be loud.
We're gonna try to get some food, bro. They have a, I don't know if you guys know what it's called, but it's like where they like throw the ball at the person sitting on top of a wood, and like the water falls if you hit it. He has it, so I want to go try that.
I don't know what that's called either, but they
It's
have
over
that.
there with a police car, so I'm gonna try. I want to try that out. So we'll see. We do want to try the food too, and we're gonna review the food.
Yeah, we'll probably do a review. They have 1, 2, 3. They have 4 food trucks to choose from.
Yeah.
There's getting a little. Guys, we just ordered from
El Reaper
Hot Chicken.
It looks pretty fire. Like, show them what it is. It looks pretty fire. About to try out their food.
I'm gonna get something else too. We're gonna get 2 things. So we got this, and I'm gonna go get something else from another food truck.
I got their loaded fries. Oh my god. I got their loaded fries here. They look pretty fire, so I'm gonna try it out.
Yeah, but once we get the food, we're gonna do a review. And we'll let you guys know if it's good. I have high hopes for it actually. So
I think it's gonna be fire. So we'll see once we get our food. So
guys, look at
those
this.
cats. They
I
look,
can't see the other one.
they look really cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yo,
Okay,
what is up,
guys. We got the pizza.
So we actually took a bite of it because we forgot to, but to record it, that's why we forgot to record it.
I was like, I took a bite. I was like, wait, I forgot I need to do a review.
But this
Damn, I forgot.
pizza is just, it's like thin pepperoni. It was from Nick's Pizza. They have an Instagram.
Wait, guys, it's actually really good.
I think it's Nick's.pizza on Instagram. So, but yeah, let's try it out.
It's good.
I know. It's pretty good, guys.
I give it a 10.
Rated
I rated it a 10. I don't
or
know.
8.5. Guys, my legs are hurting me so bad. I don't think I can stand no more. It's wraps for me. I'm gonna pass out. Oh, this sounds fire.
I got a feeling.
I feel like an American. Wait, is that racist? Never mind. I feel like myself. Not crazy. Oh my gosh. And it just has to be some trash ass guy singing.
Sai's gonna go get a agua de pinga.
to Damien's little brother.
Did he say I got you?
Yeah.
For free. Okay, well, our rating for the pizza was, yours was an 8?
8.5.
Mine's a 9. It was really good, I think.
You guys are killing me, bro. I'm getting mad.
I feel like I have really bad posture, but like, you know what? Like, what can I say? Thank you.
Oh shit.
Can I try
Did
it?
it charges?
Well, I want to try it. Okay, guys. This is the agua de piña.
That's what happens when you get respect in the streets.
That's not respect the street, it's respect in general.
This one's better. That one's pretty fire.
They don't respect you, they fear you. Like that one movie. What is that movie? Oh, I forgot what it's called. With Sani? No.
I smelled it, so it probably tastes better.
Bro, I forgot that. Bro, how did I forget it? Oh, it was something.
I like the piña. I rate that one a 10.
It did water down, so it's better.
It's good, huh?
Where the hell you get that from?
I want some.
So we'll probably leave it a little bit.
I was trying to get my homie to pull up, but I don't think he is. Oh, I forgot that movie I was talking about, bro. I was thinking about something.
Guys, I need to stop. I'm in public.
Oh, Ruby.
I'm zoning out and I'm forgetting that the camera's right here.
Thank you.
Oh, you farted.
Ew.
I thought you farted.
Oh, I thought you farted.
Well, guys, it was recently his birthday. Both of our birthdays passed actually already.
Huh?
Both of our birthdays passed already.
Oh, yeah. We're 16 now.
But guys, like we haven't been recording because like it's just like we've both been busy, like,
We gonna make it out.
and he's been busier.
Bro, I've been busy doing all types of stuff, bro. Everybody keeps telling me, bro, when are y'all gonna do a YouTube video, bro, this, bro. We have a banger coming.
Oh, that's not mine.
Trying, guys.
Yeah,
Don't be too hard on us.
and
You know
also
what
give
you
us
guys want, and we're gonna deliver it to y'all.
like suggestions on what should we
Our next video
record.
we want to do, what is it?
Oh, I want to do a Q&A, guys.
Yeah, so
And like, if
we
you guys,
need, in the comments, we need like as many comments as possible.
like, just ask any
questions that you
question.
guys want to know about us, or just questions you guys have in general for us, and we'll answer those questions in our next video.
Yes, in our next video, it's gonna be a Q&A, and make sure to leave some like questions for us to answer,
Yes.
cause
So
we're gonna need some.
I'm excited for that one. I hope you guys are excited for that one. So
Yeah. Wait, this is such a vibe right now. Like,
I mean,
at
look
us.
how it is outside, guys.
I'm from the 70s and you're a 90s.
That's pretty dope. Y'all see that? That's that Coachella tower that everybody talks about. I've never been in there. That's... Oh look guys, that's the Nick's Pizza we tried. That's the El Reaper hot chicken we got from the fries. And then the tacos are out there, yeah. Wow, I sound like no salad. But y'all know what I said. But yeah, it's pretty cool, guys.
Okay.
That's my legs.
Yes, guys, we haven't sat down.
No, we
Oh, and after this, we're gonna go to a family house and do fireworks.
Are we?
Yeah.
We're gonna go light up fireworks. That's gonna be fun. Oh, my. I just hit her hard. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
No, I don't hit her, guys. Chill. What the?
I'm just
Wait,
kidding.
wear red if you get it. Wait, if you have glasses, you get a view.
I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, guys, we're now wrapping it up because we're leaving to go blow up fireworks.
Where?
Are we leaving? We're leaving.
Oh, we're leaving?
Yes. We'll catch you guys. Probably when we're walking out, we'll
Low-key, this
record.
place wasn't that big of a crazy place. But
It was like chill. Like
I would
this is
say
like a good like
if
bring
you
your.
want to go with your girl or your friends, like to just go get
That's
food
yeah, that's what I
and
was saying.
chill and listen to live music, and this is the place. So yeah,
He was just completing my sentence. Yeah, this is like a really. I think it's. Is it new? Right? Is this new? Is this new?
We've never been
Or
here.
they've been doing it?
We've been doing it. Third year.
Oh, I never knew about this, guys. It's not new.
weekend at the friend's house, we're gonna go crazy with the fireworks.
It's our first time here.
Tell
It's
about it.
our
Tell
first
about
time
the
here?
fireworks. We're gonna light up fireworks.
It's our first time here.
Pretty excited for that.
It's our first time here, but it's been here for like 3 years.
Oh yeah.
So what have I heard?
I'm still discovering about the valley, so.
We all are.
Alright, then, guys.
We'll catch you guys. Probably like when we walk out, so we can just like, you know? But
Give it an overall rating.
yeah.
Alright,
So
we'll catch you guys.
guys, we're on our way out, and but the music is not musicking.
That's just trash. I know that.
Right now, we're back at like where we were in the beginning.
Look, you smell.
Somebody smell like shit. Somebody smell like shit.
I feel like armpits. Guys,
Oh yeah, we out of here.
really packed.
We got crazy packed.
That's alright. I'm pretty sure that drone show is later. And this music is really loud. But we'll catch you guys when we're like somewhere else. Pop in the fireworks. So yeah. Okay guys, we made it to our family friend's house.
Bro, we just.
And
guys, we just
the street's already
missed
popping.
fireworks. Bro, we gotta head to the other side.
Let's go.
Or do you gotta go back? Alright, we're right here. Alright, then later, bro.
Bye. Okay guys. Cross the street. Hello?
Shh, y'all saw that, guys? That was dope. That was a 49 shot firework. That was bad.